Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check, please. Is my sounds coming okay by typing a one for me? If my sound and screen is okay, type a one for me, and we will start our section here this morning. Okay. So again, before I start, just a quick disclaimer. Okay, this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to trade any stocks that we discussed in this morning, make sure your own trading plan. Okay, if not, just get advice from the professional. Okay, so as always, I have my trading plan in place. Okay, so I think I will share with you some of my techniques to help me to do stop loss, uh, uh, target profits. Okay, so if you think suitable, probably you can try to apply it. Okay, if not, just like I said, okay, you get advice from the professionals. Okay, definitely don't buy and sell call over here. Okay, so what I'll do, help me to click like button and share, help me to share this out, okay, to continue to support XIFU. So as usual, today we're gonna look into the market overall for this morning. Still pretty boring overall, I have to say that. Like I say, let's say nothing else, but we'll do a quick one. If you got any stocks you want me to take a look, okay, just for sharing or discussion purpose, comments below, then we will take a look into that as well. So today, I think my main objective just going to look for stocks that holding well around the pullback area or maybe the shakeout stocks. Okay, so that for the next bull run, we'll continue to watch out. Okay, these few counters over here. So XZLB definitely is one of the stocks that actually I'm still holding. The other day I thought we are gonna break already. Okay, so but of course now currently still in losses. Okay, but overall I think they are still in a very nice support area. So as long as they are still above 40 MA, I think I'm gonna give a try. Okay. So of course for those that who are looking into it, okay, like I say this is the strength counters. Sorry, this is a strength signal. Okay, if let's say break below, most of the time it representing there is a weakening in the trend. Okay, so what you do is that wait for the candle to move back up, probably with higher volume, prefer with higher volume to ensure they got a chance to retest the resistance level. Okay, so probably you want to watch out for this kind of candle to happen again, right? So of course, best is that sometimes we want to see the strength candles hold well. Okay, because normally strength candle or pullback candle, it also representing there must be a support, right? So if let's say there's supports for strength candle, this is a few counters that probably want to look into. Okay, now Ocean Cash, let's share the other day to the Telegram. Okay, but unfortunately I didn't enter lah. Is that this is the one that come with plenty of strength signal. Okay, so this is one over here. Okay, after that it actually kind of like holding ball. Okay, somewhere around this area over here. Okay, and we got subsequently got few. Okay, now this is the one that actually uh able to make a breakthrough. Okay, of this resistance. Okay, with a higher volume and currently looks like still in a very nice momentum. Okay, so currently, I think this is the best time for us to continue to watch out stocks with pullback signals or strength signals, but they must hold well, okay, above the support level. Of course, like AZRB type, right? They actually drop 1-2 bits below, lah. Of course, now it's a weak market, a bit of bear markets right now. Not to say bear market, but weak market. So sometimes it will go 1-2 bits lower one. Okay, so I think that is pretty normal. Okay, so this is pretty normal. But as long as they are come with low volume, I still think that they got the chance. Okay, again, shakeout do happen. Okay, in this period here. All right. So again, if you are joining here with me, appreciate you can type a one for me. At least I know you are here. At least I know who is here with me this morning. Okay, help me to share this out. Help me to click like buttons also if you like our this daily morning section. All right. So again, this is just a quick updates. Okay, so let's look into some of the few counters that we've been looking into. Personally, for me, some of the stock, if let's say it break below support, I exit already, I trouble already. If I still got a big profit, 8%, I take partial profit. Some of them, if let's say still haven't break below support, I still hold first. Okay, so this is a good time for me to get back my cash a little bit. Okay, and I'll plan out okay my next movement. Okay, probably I still think that it's gonna take another 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, before the market will see a nicer setup. So, bro. Okay, hello Joel. Thank you for your comments over here. So, Hashtag Group also yesterday actually tried to break the resistance over here. So, break the downtrend line. Actually, they break, but not so convincing yet. Not so convincing yet. Normally, when they break the downtrend line, right, I love to see uh, so-called obvious, okay, in terms of the candlesticks, in terms of so-called the volume. Okay, so this one, yes, is increasing volume, but feel like they are still a bit shy. So sometimes not sure. Okay, maybe they will hit here, then go back down again. This is the level that probably you want to watch out. Okay, a bit similar to Jatiasa. A bit similar to Jatiasa. There's a Jatiasa at the time I didn't enter yet. Okay, but slightly getting more interesting. Okay, so maybe on the next bull run I will try it out. Okay, so like I said yesterday when we look into the overall sectors, right? Plantation is the one that haven't really jalan. So for overall for this year, okay, for this year. So maybe who knows by the end of the year they got some a bit of rally over here. Okay, so for example over here when it goes up, okay, sometimes the volume is a bit shine a bit one, right? I will see first. Okay, is the reversal confirmed or not? Okay, especially I will using a 20-40 day moving average. Okay, so looks like yes, it's pretty convincing right now. Okay, right now, of course, I'm not going to enter right now, okay, because the market is still a bit uncertain, right? So probably we tunggu sekejap lah. Okay, let's comment on Emulus and MYEG. Okay, I'll start to do that. Okay, let me know any stocks that you may look into lah. Personally, for me right now is I've just watched out some of the stocks that I think is interesting. Put into my watch list. Okay, you can actually add into XIFU apps. What I do is that I park with alert as well. Okay, so whenever it hits, it gives me a notification. Okay, immediately. Okay, so let's go into Emulus. Let's try. Yeah, this one break below here, not so nice already. Oh, I think yesterday you asked for a join in the group. Okay, now this is what we call shakeout lah. Okay, this is what we call shakeout. And I think it's happening right now. Okay, now there are two reasons why I say that. Okay, now first of all, if you have attended the pullback classes last 2 weeks ago, this is normally not a favorable pullback patterns. Okay, why? Because it comes with this candle. All right, but doesn't mean that it won't goes up. Okay, doesn't mean that it won't goes up. But normally, if you let's say when the stock started to do pullback, but the resistance got this type of candles, normally it will do a shakeout first. Okay, or maybe what we call the failed pullback. So for example, over here, okay, now this is the crucial support, the main support. So sometimes when the stocks, okay, now against when the stock break below 2040s already, you don't follow my trading plan anymore. Because trading plan, okay, is for you when the setup is nice. When the setup not nice for me, not make sense. Doesn't make sense. Okay. Not sure whether is this agree with you or not. Okay, let's say you agree type 1, if not type 2. Okay, agree type 1, if not type 2. Okay, so again, for those that who are using my trading plan over here, okay, my support resistance over here, when the stock is in downtrend, when the stock no setups, don't use it. Okay, because why? Downtrend stock okay, it's always close to support level one. Resistance is always far one. Whenever you see this, it's thought that a good risk to reward ratio, but it's not. Okay, it's not. Okay, because this stock actually is weakening already. Okay, break below downtrend line. Sorry, break below 20-40 day moving average. Okay, now going back to this setups. Okay, going back to this setup. Okay, so why I say this is still is a shakeout patterns. First of all, low volume. Okay, so what I do is that if you see this kind of patterns, okay, normally I will be a little more patient. Okay, wait for the shakeup to complete. Okay, example here, I think you can see this, right? Okay, wait for the shakeup to complete. Okay, a successful retest. Now this is an area that probably we will want to focus. Okay, I'm not sure whether Joy you already enter or not. Again, don't ask me how long you need to wait if let's say you enter already because now it's shake up. Your shake up sometimes can take months, man. Like this is very fast. I think this is less than a month. Okay, they push back up, we test breaks. Okay, but certain shake out probably take few months, man. Again, I need to look into overall market condition. This year is a good year, so that's why some shake out it tends to be shorter. Okay, I'm not sure whether this round to pull back how long for Bursa overall, but it looks like 2-3 weeks already. Hopefully another 1 or 2 weeks, then we will see the continuation of trend again. Okay, so if you understand type 1, if not type 2, okay, if you understand type 1, if not type 2, okay, a bit quiet you all. Okay, is it market boring or my presentation's boring? Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, so again, looking into MYEG. So MYEG, I'm not sure looking for long-term, short-terms. Okay, but long-term wise, yes, they are doing a big shakeout. Okay, if based on current chart setups, I still think that potentially they might retest back to this so-called main support level. Okay, so let's go into weekly chart. Okay, let's go into weekly chart now. This is what I mean by a big shakeout over here. Okay, so here we got a big one. Okay, with high volume. Okay, so potentially I'm not sure. Probably they will retest back. Okay, into this area over here, then slowly goes back up again. So if you are planning for long term, I think MYEG is fine. Trading wise, okay, let's go back to daily lah. But anyway, the market is not that healthy at the moment. Again, break below 2040 low. Okay, so this is what I mean. So normally break below 2040, for short term purpose, probably I'll be more careful lah. Especially right now, if you notice the resistance, right, this is the previous weekly resistance. Here got some rejection also. Okay, so this one actually best if let's say they go back to support, maybe do another round of shakeout. Okay, then we know that okay, they still got a chance to try resistance or even break resistance. Okay, so there's MYEG. Okay, any others? Okay, no more counters. No more counters. Then we end our sections. Okay, so if not, let's look into some of my this so-called pullback list lah. Oh, Binasra coming back, my old favorite counters. Okay, so let's into Binasra. Okay, looking good. Okay, so this one I have to hide the 2040 first, because of the big gaps previously. Okay, this one looks like pullback completes over here. Okay, so overall it's okay, but now it's how much? 1.27. Okay, 1.27. Okay, let's see how lah. Let's see. But overall, I think it's a pretty good setups. Okay, forming from here. Okay, now let's look into kind. Okay, illiquid, not so good. Okay, Pokong Tome today up lah. Pokong Tome today up. Yeah, jatuh balik. How about Tome? Tome this morning I saw a gap up lah. Okay, should be quite nice lah for Tome. Okay, jatuh balik. Profit taking so fast. Okay, but I have to see towards the 3 to 4 p.m. Now it's still in the beginning of first hour here. Okay, HB. This one cantik. Yeah, but no volume lah. Okay, this one cantik. This one still above the gap. This is the one that I will put into my washes and jugger and watch out very closely. Okay, so here we got one strength signal. Okay, notice right. Okay, let me just zoom up a little bit. Okay, so here we got pullback signal. Okay, and this pullback signal normally must hold. Okay, so I think yes, for a couple of 2 weeks already, I think they are holding well. Okay, obviously, but today so far no volume yet. Okay, something that I don't like. Up must have volume. Up no volume, representing maybe this one is not ready. Later still will zigzag. Okay, so but it's a good stock for me to put into my watch list and continue to monitor. Okay, again, no rush to enter right now. Okay, who knows, maybe 1-2 weeks later, market will recover slightly. Okay, now I think this is also called by some of the analysts. Kenaga say hold at 39 cents. Okay, so CIMB says sell. Okay, target at 31 cents. Okay, wow. Okay, but again, you all use that as your so-called a guide lah. No need to follow on. Sometimes buy and sell call may wrong also. Like previously over here, Kenaga say hold 32 cents, but it still goes up. This one also CIMB have been targeting sell already. Okay, 31 cents, but price still going up. Okay, so no need to follow exactly, but just that. Use that as a guide. Okay, use that as a guide. Okay, so let's look into the others. FEMA Corps. This one not much volume. I don't like it. Tech cycle. Okay, this one looks like a long-term uptrend. Maybe. Okay, let's watch if let's say got any shakeout or not. Ibraco. Okay, Ibraco. I think the setup is good. Okay, Ibraco. Okay, latest strength signal over here. Okay, so again, I'm gonna use strength signal as my support level. So here, strength signal. Okay, potentially here will be my good support level. Okay, so right now, yes, definitely they are close to resistance. Okay, but if let's say anything close to this level here, 115, okay, I think it's a good in terms of risk to ratio. Okay, again, good counters for me to put into my watch list. Okay, so right now, anything that I do, I just put into watch list first. Okay, then we're gonna monitor. Okay, so KUB, I think KUB is also pretty good. Okay, KUB, if I can recall, this one will be similar Ocean Cash. Hey, today got movement already. Today gap up. Okay, if let's say this few day hold a gap, then this is gigantic for me. Okay, now this one I think similar like just now I show the Ocean Cash plenty of strong signal at support level. Okay, at support level. Okay, so today got a bit of reaction. Okay, again, if let's say closing is strong today, I think it's a overall it's a good stocks for us to continue to watch out. Okay, probably by end of this week or until next week. Okay, so KUB at least today we find KUB. Let me write down. Okay, let me know any stock you're looking into. If not, probably I'll end my section here today. KUB, just now the other one is what already? Oh, HBP. Okay, last one, I saw Unique. Unique also. Oh, Unique yesterday pulled back complete. Okay, I didn't notice that. Okay, covering the gaps. Okay, covering the gaps. Okay, the pullback exactly, not to say exactly, very close with the gaps area. Okay, this is the previous strong resistance. Okay, again, pullback. Okay, pullback complete from here. Okay, so let's say, for example, again, I think it's no rush at the moment because this is the main resistance. Okay, I don't enter near to the main resistance. Okay, maybe I'm not sure. Next week, okay, it hits here a little bit. Maybe this one also we can pay attention to it. Okay, so Unique. Okay, again, pop my alerts. Okay, use XIFU app to pop alerts. Okay, it will notify you. If you are using the premium account, it will be live. Okay, it will notify you. Okay, through the apps. Okay, so if let's say there's no questions, I think I'll end my section here today. So once again, thank you for joining me this section. Market remains boring, but it doesn't mean there's no setups. Do a little bit of homework. You can go through my XIFU apps, pullback signals columns there. Okay, to check out is there any stocks that actually holding well, doing a little bit of pullbacks, but belum jalan lagi. Okay, market is weak so don't expect all stocks to jalan. We are trying to look for new stocks to put into watch list, and then let's see how it goes. Okay, for next week or maybe next 2 weeks. All right. So this, thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.